Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of high-performance gaming with our in-depth review of the CyberPowerPC Gaming Desktop featuring the AMD Ryzen 7 9700X, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti 16GB, 32GB DDR5 RGB, and a massive 2TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, all in a sleek white chassis. Model SLC4200 BSDFV5, SKU 6617168. This beast of a machine promises to deliver an exceptional gaming experience, but we're here to put those claims to the test. Over the next few minutes, we'll be dissecting every aspect of this PC, from its powerful components to its sleek design, and everything in between. We'll be diving into the features, pros, and cons of this powerhouse machine, which currently holds a 4.4 out of 5 stars rating from 75 reviews, so you know exactly what you're getting into. So buckle up, grab your favorite beverage, and get ready for a wild ride as we explore the CyberPowerPC Gamer Supreme, priced at $2,109,99. Stay tuned to find out if this gaming desktop is worth your investment. Alright, let's kick things off by getting up close and personal with the CyberPowerPC Gamer Supreme. This bad boy comes with the model number SLC4200 BSDFV4, and you can find it listed under the SKU 6593754. Now I know what you're thinking, Linus, why all the numbers? Trust me, it's important, especially if you're like me and you love digging through spec sheets and comparing different configurations. Having the exact model number and SKU ensures you're getting the precise machine you're after, with all the bells and whistles you're looking for. It's like ordering a custom pizza. You want to make sure you're getting the right toppings, right? So keep those numbers handy when you're ready to pull the trigger on this beast. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. It's often the first thing that catches our eye and the last thing we want to think about. But it's crucial to understand what you're getting for your hard-earned money. The CyberPowerPC Gamer Supreme will set you back around $1,449.99. At first glance, that might seem like a hefty price tag, especially if you're new to the world of gaming PCs. I know that's a decent chunk of change. It's easy to feel overwhelmed when you see a number like that, but let's take a moment to breathe and really analyze what this price includes. But before you click away screaming into the void, let's break down whether this price tag is justified. We need to consider the value proposition here. What are you actually paying for? Is it just the brand name, or is there more to it? Remember, we're talking about a pre-built gaming PC here, which means you're saving yourself the hassle of sourcing individual components and assembling the whole thing yourself. This convenience factor alone can be worth a lot, especially if you're not tech-savvy. Plus, you're getting a machine that's been tested and optimized for performance right out of the box. This means less time troubleshooting and more time enjoying your games. The peace of mind that comes with a pre-built system is invaluable. Consider this. If you were to build a comparable PC yourself, you'd likely end up spending a similar amount, especially with the current GPU market being what it is. Graphics cards alone can cost a small fortune these days. So while the price isn't exactly easy on the wallet, it's not unreasonable considering the performance you're getting in return. You're investing in a high-quality, high-performance machine that will serve you well for years to come. In the grand scheme of things, it's a fair trade-off for the convenience and reliability you're purchasing. Chapter 3, Pros Unleashing the Power Within. Alright, let's get down to the nitty-gritty and talk about what makes the CyberPowerPC Gamer Supreme tick. This machine is not just another gaming PC, it's a powerhouse designed to elevate your gaming experience to the next level. From the moment you start assembling it, you can tell that every component has been carefully selected to ensure top-notch performance. Under the hood, this beast is packing some serious heat. The RGB lighting alone is enough to make any gamer drool, but it's what's inside that really counts. The cooling system is designed to keep everything running smoothly, even during those intense gaming marathons. We're talking about an AMD Ryzen 7 9700X processor, a true multitasking monster that can handle anything you throw at it, from gaming to content creation and everything in between. This processor is built for speed and efficiency, making it perfect for gamers who also dabble in video editing, 3D rendering, or any other demanding tasks. Paired with that beastly CPU is 16 gigabytes of RAM, ensuring smooth sailing even when you're juggling multiple demanding applications. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or running multiple programs at once, this setup has got you covered. The RAM ensures that your system remains responsive and quick, no matter what. But the star of the show has got to be the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 Ti 16 GB graphics card. This GPU is a game changer, literally. It's designed to handle the most graphically demanding games with ease, providing you with an immersive and visually stunning experience. This GPU is a powerhouse in its own right, capable of delivering stunning visuals and buttery smooth frame rates in even the most demanding AAA titles. Imagine playing your favorite games with no lag, no stutter, just pure, unadulterated gaming bliss. The level of detail and realism this GPU brings to the table is simply mind-blowing. We're talking high refresh rate gaming at 1440p, maybe even 4K with some settings tweaks. The flexibility this system offers is incredible. You can customize your settings to get the perfect balance between performance and visual quality, ensuring that your gaming experience is always top-notch. And let's not forget about ray tracing, which adds a whole new level of realism to your games. This technology simulates the way light interacts with objects in the real world, making shadows, reflections, and lighting effects look incredibly lifelike. It's like stepping into a whole new world, trust me. Once you've experienced ray tracing, there's no going back. The level of immersion it provides is unparalleled, making every game feel more vivid and engaging. So, if you're looking to unleash the power within and take your gaming to the next level, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Supreme is the way to go. Chapter 4. Cons: Every rose has its thorns. Now, it wouldn't be a proper review if we didn't address the elephant in the room, the potential drawbacks. While the CyberPowerPC Gamer Supreme has a lot going for it, there are a few aspects that might make you think twice. Look, no piece of tech is perfect, and the CyberPowerPC Gamer Supreme is no exception. It's important to weigh the pros and cons before making a purchase, especially when it comes to something as significant as a gaming PC. One thing that might give some budget-conscious gamers pause is the price. At $1,449.99, it's definitely an investment. And there are certainly more affordable gaming PCs out there. This price point can be a major hurdle for many, especially those who are just starting out or are on a tight budget. However, you often get what you pay for, and in this case, you're paying for top-notch components and performance. The high price tag reflects the quality and capabilities of the machine, which can handle the latest games at high settings without breaking a sweat. Another thing to keep in mind is that pre-built PCs sometimes have a reputation for using lower quality components in areas like the power supply or motherboard to cut costs. This can lead to potential issues down the line, such as reduced longevity or the need for future upgrades. While I haven't personally cracked open this specific model, it's always something to be aware of. It's worth doing some research or even consulting with a tech-savvy friend to ensure that the components meet your standards and expectations. In conclusion, while the CyberPowerPC Gamer Supreme offers impressive performance and high-quality components, it's essential to consider the price and potential component quality issues. By being informed and weighing these factors, you can make a decision that best suits your gaming needs and budget. Chapter 5. Feature feast more than just a pretty face. Alright, let's dive into some of the key features that make the CyberPowerPC Gamer Supreme stand out from the crowd. First up, storage. This machine comes equipped with a spacious 2TB SSD, which means lightning-fast boot times and game loading. No more staring at loading screens for an eternity, you'll be in the action in a flash. And let's talk about the design for a second. This PC rocks a sleek, minimalist white aesthetic that's sure to turn heads. It's not overly flashy or aggressive, just clean and modern. But the real beauty of the CyberPowerPC Gamer Supreme lies in its overall performance capabilities. This machine is built to handle even the most demanding games and applications without breaking a sweat. Outro CyberPowerPC Gamer Supreme worth it? So, there you have it, folks. Our comprehensive review of the CyberPowerPC Gamer Supreme Gaming Desktop. This machine is a beast, packing some serious firepower and delivering an exceptional gaming experience for gamers. It's not without its drawbacks, but the pros definitely outweigh the cons, making it a solid choice. Especially if you're looking for a pre-built PC that can handle anything you throw at it, from gaming to productivity. Thanks for watching our review of the CyberPowerPC Gamer Supreme Gaming Desktop. We appreciate your support. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and updates on the latest gadgets. Let us know in the comments if you think this gaming desktop is worth the investment, and share your thoughts.